In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change units of dimensions in Bluebeam. To do that, first head over to bluebeam.com and from in there, proceed to click on the Get Started option in order to create an account. You can also get a free trial of them by clicking on the Create Free option. You'll also have the option to actually buy it directly from them. Just click on the Buy Now in order to do this. Now, once you have access, proceed to click on Login and then log in directly on your Bluebeam. You can do so on your web browser or into the application itself. So I've already downloaded the application, and here is what it looks like. So you can change the units of dimension in Bluebeam by going over to the actual unit that we have available. Let me head over and then locate some dimensions right here. We have right here these options. So for this case, just head over and click onto the select, and then select right here the units that you want to change. So once you have selected those units, just right click and then locate the properties option once you have selected it directly. You can also just click on the disk gear icon that we have right here since this will open the properties available. So you can just select specific parts and then change the properties directly from here on out as well. So here's an sample. We have right here the options for appearance as well as the layouts. We also have in here the add tools options, and you can set this layout as default. You can also change the unit directly from here, so head over and then change it if it's available on the options right there. So just change it from centimeter to inches or however you want it to be scaled. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video successfully helped you out.